Hello and welcome to Luscombe Mitsubishi's walk around video Mirage 3 that we have. It's a 68 plate, so 2018, so you got plenty of manufacturer's warranty left on this one, right through until 2023. That's all Mitsubishi's come with a 5-year warranty from date of registration. It's in a lovely colour called Atlantic Grey. It's all push button start, keyless entry. Nice boot size there, it's all false boot floor, so it drops down even further there, so you can take that out to make a deeper boot if you like. Like I said, these are fantastic on fuel, these fabulous little thing on fuel. Should do you at least 60 miles per gallon these, just go forever on fuel. And like I say, it's got quite a lot of big car features obviously. You've got your push button start, your keyless entry, you've got retractable folding mirrors. You've got the integrated indicators there. I'll just show you the mirrors as you lock it, because when you lock it, there you go. Mirrors all fold in, keeps it nice and safe when you parked it up. You can actually open it also with these little buttons there, so all I do is just press that button, and as you can see, mirrors redeploy. And then we go inside. Got 4 electric window switches there, push button start, auto lights, auto wipers, air conditioning also. It's got all Bluetooth for your phone, so once you've paired your phone to it, you can run it from here, answer your calls and everything on there, and return your calls. Air conditioning, auto stop go when you're in city traffic, so basically save fuel again, it'll turn itself off while you're parked. Clever little car, and like I say, it does seat 5 adults. There's quite a big back space there for a Super Mini anyway. Obviously Mitsubishi's legendary build quality, hence the 5-year warranty from new. It's only done 5,500 miles on this one, so if you'd like to arrange a viewing or a test drive, by all means just contact the dealership. Thanks for watching, bye.